so imagination is for Stella is the central tool, the central aspect of oneself to utilize for the sake of one's acting or for one's art. And I suppose the clearest way to understand it is that you're, as an actor, you're faced with a script, which is, black marks on white paper, and your job is to bring that script to life, so that wherever there's a reference in the script to a past, you have to create that past, or even the present. Every present needs a past. So you're some of which is given, but it's always skeletal and scant compared to you sitting there with a whole life behind you. So that it's by way of the imagination that work is done. Being able to exist on stage, but create a landscape in front of you, and to see it specifically, and not only to see it, but to create that which you see in such a way where you're genuinely moved by it. That's a function of the imagination. Everything that you see, touch, think, do on stage has to be, woven through your imagination or cleansed by your imagination. So a lot of the foundation exercises function that way. You're asked, even before you get to a script, to create in enormous detail landscapes, or a Fifth Avenue apartment was one that she did. It's changed some people. It's different things for different teachers, and so, but it's like a muscle that you keep exercising it. Stella said that even your daily habitual self exists in your imagination. So, it wasn't a revolution against what who you are by birth and name and sex and religion and economics and all of that. For her, it was understanding that if you limit yourself to that, you limit yourself as a human being and as an artist.